Hey guys, see Wade here doing HackThisSite Realistic Mission 8. And to be quite honest, I haven't been doing the HTS missions simply because I've been busy doing other stuff. I might get back to it, don't know. Might not be for a little bit, but I've been chatting with this dude on YouTube, or Chill. He sent me his 2 submissions, how to beat Realistic Mission 8 and Realistic Mission 9. So I'm just making these tutorials to share them because I've gotten a lot of feedback on my tutorials, and I know a lot of you appreciate them, and I appreciate the ratings, comments, and subscribers. So I'm going to go ahead and make Realistic Mission 8 and 9 from RatDance's guide. RatDance out of Undernet's Hackers and Freak channel. Shout out to him. Thanks, RatDance. You the man, home dog. But yeah, enough of that. We're going to go to our Realistic Mission 8 from United Banks of America. And we're going to go, and I'm going to open up Notepad. And we're going to get down the information we need to destroy Gary Hunter. Or we don't need to destroy him, we just need to get into his account. Send 10 mil to drop cash. And we need to clear the logs of log files. So that's what we're going to do. So we'll go ahead and go get started. I'm just going through this right now, so I don't know how long this is going to take. We're going to find out. Register. We're going to go ahead and just do some random name like Scooby. Go ahead. You're going to register and log in. And we're going to go Scooby. We're going to move money to a different account and take note of the PHP file name, which is movemoney.php. And then we're going to go back, resend the session. We're going to clear files of the personal folder and take note of the cleardir PHP name, cleardirectory.php. We're going to resend the session. Try not to do this too fast. You guys don't need all this info. This is basically the proof of concept. But now that we're logged in, I'm going to open up Firebug and go to my Fire Cookie tab. Now, as you can see, we have our account username and password stored in plain text cookies, as well as our PHP session ID. So we're going to go ahead and type in a JavaScript injection to see if the site is vulnerable. JavaScript alert document.cookie without these quotation marks, or apostrophes, excuse me. And we have account username and account password as long as our PHP session ID. So it is vulnerable. So what we're going to do is we are going to go to user info and we're going to search up Gary Hunter. No users found. I'm going to search him without the space there. And this looks like a classic SQLi page. You know, we got the username there, password there. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to go for an SQL injection. So whoops, apostrophe or 1 equals 1 dash dash, and the SQL injection works successfully. You can go check out an earlier realistic mission to see the proof of concept behind SQL injections. And we're going to find this Gary William Hunter account, and we're actually I'm going to go down to my Firebug. It's a Mozilla Firefox add-on, as well as Fire Cookie. You also need that separate add-on. It goes with Firebug. I'm going into the Fire Cookie tab, Cookies tab, and I'm going to change my account username from Scooby to Gary William Hunter. Then I'm going to take his password. I'm going to edit our password cookie with his password. And now we're able to use JavaScript injections to get around to what we want to do. So what we need to do is send 10 mil to drop cash. Now this is already pre-coded, pre-written out. This is a JavaScript injection. I'm not good with the time right now. I'm actually really tired and stuff, so I'm just gonna briefly explain this to you because I don't have time. JavaScript void, and we're writing to the document the form name, the form action. The form action is move money, .php. We wrote that down earlier. If you're coding this, you should have taken note of that. And the method is post, obviously. And we're moving on. The hidden name, if you looked at the source, you would pick all this up. It's from the value of our account name, Gary William Hunter, and I have the cookie, so it will verify that. And we're sending it to the value of the account drop cash. So continuing on with the amount of $10 million. Input type, and this is going to be like a button. Move money to a different account. And we're going to inject that. We're going to get this page. We're going to click it. Congratulations, first objective done. Now cover your tracks. And I think it wrote a cookie. Yeah, it wrote a cookie. Moved the money into drop cash account finished. It's a pretty cool cookie name. So now we're doing part 2. This is already pre-coded out. We're just gonna I'll explain it. We're writing to a document. The form actions clear directory.php, as we would have taken note earlier, with the method of post. The hidden type is a dir value to our log files, as our mission told us in the very beginning of the mission. And we are clearing files in the personal folder with the submit value of an input type. So that's going to be another button. And since we already have the cookies for his username and password, that's why this is all working. And I've already completed mission 8, but you should get a boom! You beat mission 8 for show. So that's how you do it. See Wade, Realistic 9 up next. Thanks to RatDance once again. Peace out.